We will meet people who will not like us. But that is okay. Every day, you will meet people who will be bad to you. But you can face them with a good attitude. God has graced you with a good heart. Please, face these ungrateful people with a gracious heart. Also understand that if you keep on trying to please people in your life, you will become disappointed and be depressed. Yan ang dahilan ng ating kalungkutan. Bakit ang iba sa atin nawawala ng gana, ayaw na maging mabuti? Kasi dinidepende nila ang kanilang kabutihan doon sa sasabihin ng ibang tao, doon sa reaksyon ng ibang tao. But we have to accept the fact, we have to embrace the truth that you cannot please everybody. Amen? We have to understand that when people look at you, they do not see your goodness. They do not see the good things that you are doing. Because most people will judge us based on their insecurity. Mahirap pasayahin minsan ang ibang tao kahit na ginagawa mo na yung the best mo sa kanila. Ang karamihan kasi ng mga tao, mainggitin. Karamihan kasi sa mga tao, makasarili. Di po ba? And yet, even if it is difficult to please others, the good news is, it is easy to please God.